Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with protein, vitamins and minerals. However, how you combine eggs with other foods can either enhance or hinder their nutritional benefits. Some food combinations can interfere with the absorption of nutrients from eggs. This can lead to health issues in the long run. It's important to be mindful of what you eat with your eggs. The right food pairings can help your body absorb all the good stuff. The wrong pairings can actually work against you. This can lead to less energy and even some health problems down the line. Knowing which foods to pair and which to avoid can make a big difference. This is especially important for people who eat eggs regularly. By making smart choices, you can unlock the full potential of this incredible food. Let's talk about some food combinations with eggs that you should avoid. First up, we have eggs and white bread. White bread is low in fiber and can cause your blood sugar to spike. Instead of white bread, opt for whole grain bread, a slice of sweet potato toast, or a side of sautéed greens. Next, we have eggs and soy products. Soy contains compounds that interfere with protein absorption from eggs. Soy can also reduce the absorption of biotin, an important vitamin found in eggs. It's best to choose other protein sources like mushrooms or spinach. Another combination to avoid is eggs and tea. Tea contains tannins which can bind to iron and protein in eggs, making them less available to your body. This can be avoided by simply having your tea 30 minutes before or after your meal. Lastly, avoid cooking your eggs with processed meats like bacon or sausage. These meats are often high in saturated fat and sodium, which can be harmful to your health. Now that we've covered the pairings to avoid, let's move on to the best food pairings to supercharge your eggs. Eggs and cheese is a classic combination that provides a range of nutrients. Cheese provides calcium and vitamin D, which are important for bone health. Cheese also adds flavor and makes your eggs more satisfying. Another great pairing is eggs and pumpkin. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin A, which is essential for good vision. It's also a good source of fiber, which can help regulate your digestion. You can enjoy this pairing in a variety of ways, such as a pumpkin and feta frittata or a pumpkin spice omelette. Eggs and apples is another fantastic combination that you should definitely try. Apples are rich in fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants. They also add a touch of sweetness to your meals. You can enjoy them as a side with your scrambled eggs or add some chopped apples to your omelette. Finally, don't forget about vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins and minerals. Tomatoes offer vitamin C and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Mushrooms provide vitamin D and are a good source of plant-based protein. The way you cook your eggs can also affect their nutritional value. Some cooking methods can damage nutrients, while others can help preserve them. It's best to avoid high-heat cooking methods such as frying. Frying can create harmful compounds and reduce the nutrient content of your eggs. Instead of frying, opt for gentler cooking methods that use lower temperatures and less oil. Poaching, boiling and steaming are all great options. These methods help retain the nutrients in the eggs. When cooking with oil, choose healthy oils like olive oil or avocado oil and avoid burning the oil. Use low to medium heat when scrambling or cooking eggs in a pan. Overcooked eggs can become rubbery and lose some of their nutritional value. By choosing healthy cooking methods, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of your eggs. Enjoy!